What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's been a while. It's been hella busy trying to make some stuff work out. But one thing I'm not that mad though because it's been hard to even think about Manchester United the way they've been playing. Just to have an opinion on it, it just makes you upset. So I've been thinking about what I want to talk about when it comes to Manchester United. What do I want to talk about? The last four games they made some decent changes. Solskjaer is basically learning on the job, which you can't really complain. Liverpool game, we should have won that. Lapse of concentration at the end, but you can see where the 3-5-2 formation kind of helped Rashford a whole lot up front, playing with someone else. He's not the type of striker who's gonna be sitting by himself in a number nine position. He needs to be playing with someone else. Belgrade's game wasn't too well. Norwich game was nice. It was against Norwich, but it was a decent performance. They needed to show up, and they did. Missed two penalties and still win 3-1. Um, if you look at the Chelsea game, that's where a test of his management skill came, and Solskjaer passed it to me. I mean, in the 65th minute, making those changes when Chelsea was in the ascendancy was essential because now they were able to get a foothold on the game and stymie Chelsea a little bit from moving forward as fluently as they were in the second half, and you got that magic goal from Rashford. So I think Solskjaer is learning on the job, which is good. You can't really complain about that, to be honest. Now we have to focus on when the guys who are injured come back, i.e. Pogba. The next question or the next, test for Solskjaer is he going to be able to incorporate Pogba back into this team? Where is he going to put him? Because now we know that Fred and McTominay can play those two defensive midfielder roles and mop up on loose balls and get the ball forward. Do we need a Pogba in that position where Pereira is now playing? So we can have Fred, McTominay, Pogba, Rashford, James, Marshall up front. Can he bring that fluidity into the team? We know Pogba is one of the greatest midfielders in the world. If you can get Pogba into that team, then we can start doing some damage. Does Solskjaer have the vision for that? I don't know. It just seems like common sense. Yeah. Have you ever gotten that we need to talk text message from your girlfriend before? And you're sitting there like, this just doesn't happen. I'm not going to like this, am I? That's how I feel every time Manchester United game starts. And tomorrow we got Bournemouth. It's hard to be confident in the beginning of the game because they're so inconsistent. Even if they're playing Bournemouth, who hasn't scored in a month. They didn't score in the entire month of October. But you still got to go home to your girlfriend, which means you still got to see the game tomorrow. Still got to have faith. So let's go.